picked up another Westinghouse fan today. This is the coolest little fan. It's not that big. I mean, I'll measure it here shortly. It's a Whirlwind. It says Westinghouse Electric and Manufacturing Company, East Springfield Works, Springfield, Massachusetts, USA. 110 volts, 60 cycles. It says 60 cycles to DC type number 420550. And then it's got like a couple, I guess those are A's there. Yeah, it's dash A. Got a little, it doesn't oscillate. It's got a number on the bottom there, 721628C1. And it's got some writing on that cardboard tag. It's got the hole for the wall mount. What a cool little fan this thing is. So, it didn't turn when I got it, so I had to oil the motor up and get it turning. But look at this old plug, the old original cord. And yes, I am going to plug it in now that I got it turning, and we'll switch it on. It surprisingly moves a lot of air. Amazing amount of air. And it's got brushes in the motor. It's got an oiler up in the front there. It's got an oiler there. These are where the brushes go in. And I don't know if you can see in the little hole there, you can see where the brush is running on the commutator in there. I don't know if you can see the other brush or not. Yep. See the other brush too. What a dandy little fan. Probably won't use this one a lot. It's just such a neat little fan, though I couldn't pass it up. I put a new cord on the other Westinghouse fan I picked up. I'll add that after this video. Alright, we'll give the blade a quick measure here. And looks like about an 8-inch fan. The blade looks like it's about 8 inches in this fan too. Look at how much smaller that Westinghouse is compared to that other little fan. And that Westinghouse moves a million times more air than this one. This one's running on the cabinet, and I'm standing here at my bench, and I can just feel a draft. I'm waiting on parts for that still. But anyway, this fan, I can feel it clear over there standing at the pickup truck. And we'll measure how far that is. The furnace kicked on, so you hear a bit more noise, but yeah, that's 10 feet. You're probably hearing that air noise in the microphone. I doubt you'd hear it from this because, like I say, that just blows a draft. But yeah, what a dandy little fan. Amazing amount of air it moves. Yeah, that I can just barely feel, and I'm standing about maybe 2.5 feet away from it. I got the tape measure here, and we'll just kind of run it out here to the fan and just see how far, and I can't feel the air. I'm 2 feet away from it, and I can just barely feel a draft. So I can feel the air easily from that fan at 10 feet. What a difference in quality with the old stuff. And you got a new cord for the Westinghouse fan. It's one of these old style with the plastic plug. The fan blade is not Bakelite. It's a different product that was privy to Westinghouse. I forget the name of it now. It's like Micarta or Micarta, something like that. But anyway, I'm going to change the cord on this fan. So took the cover off. There's just feet unscrew, and cover comes off, and then there's just a couple wire nuts here where the old cord is. And then there's a knot tied in it, and I'm just going to cut, well, I can slide it out and tie it. I was just going to cut it, but may be able to reuse it on something else. New cord. Alright, I just used my little grabber thing to pull the wire out. Tied a loose knot in it. Put my wire strippers out here. Strip a little off the cord. The switch I'm going to put the black to, but it's a non-polarized plug. Put the wire nut on. I think I'll pull my loose knot back up in there so it's kind of out of the way. And I'll put the white to the one that would be the neutral on the motor. Put the wire nut on. Make sure the wire nuts are nice and snug so they don't pull off. This is the resistor for the 2-speed motor, so it just reduces the voltage to the motor. So there's a new cord. I'll screw this back on, but before I do, I'm going to give it a quick new paint job. This is where you can get your vintage wire from. Well, I put a coat of paint on this. This is on the right way now. That was on the wrong way, or, you know, it was flipped over. But to mount this on the wall, you'd put a screw on the wall, and then it would drop into there, and then the other screw goes here. That keeps it from lifting back up or falling around. So one just slips up into, and the other one goes in there into your wall. Or I would put these into a stud. I wouldn't put them into plaster or drywall. They're heavy enough to where you need something a little better. But there we go. Got a brand new cord. Plug, Bakelite type plug. So let's see if we can get some go with it. And I always put a little longer cords on. Nothing more annoying when you don't have a cord long enough. So we got high and low. So job done. Nice fan with a old vintage style cord like what we originally had on it. Again, if you enjoy my channel, please subscribe, and thank you for watching my videos. How do you like that? They all work. Estate sale patio lights.